welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious shrimp in an amazing red sauce. As I call it, Camarones a la Diabla. I know that you guys are going to love them. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready all the chiles. I have 3 chiles pasilla, 3 chiles California that I'm taking the seeds out completely. I don't want any seeds. And I have 6 chiles de árbol. You decide how spicy you want this recipe. Let me tell you, but it comes out delicious and amazing. I have 5 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up by smashing them so it's easy to take the skin off. Once I remove the skin, I'm going to transfer them to the plate where I have all my chiles. And now I am ready to continue with the small onion. I am using 1 whole small onion that I'm just going to cube or slice and then put it on the side. Let me tell you, this recipe is the favorite here at home, especially for Lent. I have 2 tomatoes that I'm going to just cut in 4, and then I am ready to make this amazing and delicious sauce for our shrimp. Look at this. Very easy to prepare. In my pan, I have a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm adding the onion. I'm going to caramelize them just a little bit and then add my garlic. Once I add the garlic and you start smelling the aroma of the garlic and onion, you're going to add your chilies. Saute them for a minute or 2 and then add your tomatoes. Once you add your tomatoes, you are going to add a little splash or 1 cup of water, hot water, so that the chilies hydrate, get nice and mushy, nice and moist, and then cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes in medium-low heat. Once the chilies have softened and got a little bit mushy, you're ready to put it into your blender. My mouth is watering because this sauce comes out so delicious and amazing. And I am going to enjoy it with steamed rice. How do you cook your steamed rice? 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. And if you have a rice cooker, even better. You add it into your rice cooker and then that's it. Here I'm adding everything into my blender cup, even all the liquid, and now I am ready to blend away. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Remember, salt and black pepper is to taste. So here I'm just going to blend until it's nice and smooth. I'm not going to put it through a sifter. I'm going to use it as is, nice and thick. So let's blend for a couple minutes. Once everything is nice and smooth on the same pan, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And now that the butter is melting away, I'm going to add my sauce. And if your stove gets nice and dirty with everything splashing all over the place, that's okay. You're going to know that this sauce is going to be amazing. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water to my blender cup. I'm going to add it in here and then I'm going to cook it in medium-low heat until it's nice and hot. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add our shrimp. The shrimp has been deveined, cleaned, and now I'm going to taste. Remember, I don't like salty food, so salt is to taste. Now that the sauce is nice and hot, I am going to add my shrimp. I'm adding 1.5 pounds of shrimp. I'm going to cook it until it starts boiling. Once it starts making all those bubbles, I'm going to turn it off and then you're ready to enjoy. Look at this. This is a very traditional and very delicious Mexican recipe. Like I said, you don't like spicy food. Instead of adding 6 chiles de árbol, add one. And the sauce is going to be amazing and delicious. And now I am ready to show you how the shrimp is cooked. It's nice and pink. And remember, don't overcook it. Once it starts bubbling, turn it off and you're ready to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And let me show you how I'm going to enjoy this amazing and delicious chiles a la diabla. Of course, I have my white rice. I'm making a little space in the center. In that little space, I'm going to add mozzarella cheese. Right on the top, I'm going to add the shrimp and some sauce. And then sprinkle right on the top a little bit of the mozzarella cheese. And then you are ready to enjoy this amazing and delicious Mexican recipe. Look how beautiful this looks. Of course, in another plate, I'm gonna put just shrimp, the amazing sauce, and then I'm going to drizzle right on the top a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and you are ready to enjoy. You could enjoy it just like that with tortillas, or you could enjoy it with your rice. You decide, but this recipe comes out amazing. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing recipe. Camarones a la Diabla. Shrimp in this amazing and spicy red sauce. This is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. The shrimp is nice and tender, moist. I didn't overcook it. The rice and cheese, what can I tell you? When you cook at home, everything comes out perfect. Mm. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Camarones a la Diabla. See you soon. Bye bye.